Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Elastic Security beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Elastic Security website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on it to be directed to the registration page. Here, you will see several options for creating an account. Choose the option that best suits your needs, such as signing up with an email address or using a social media account. If you opt for an email, fill in the required fields, including your name and a valid email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements stated on the page. After filling out the form, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and look for the email from Elastic Security. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the link provided in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Elastic Security website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, complete your profile by adding any additional information required. You may want to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Once your profile is complete, navigate to the Elastic Security dashboard. Explore the setup options available to customize your experience. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. Review any tutorials or documentation provided to maximize your understanding. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Elastic Security. You are now ready to start using the platform for your security needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.